2, 1. Immediately, 4 big guys at max, grabbing a ton of cubes off of the field. Boss getting some greens, getting ready to line up and score these into the goal. All of the red cubes have been pushed off their post for an extra 15 points from the Lions.
You guys did great.
Good job, guys.
Woo!
4 big guys at max,
Yeah,
lifting up.
you guys did awesome.
Getting 1, 2, 3, 4 purple cubes into that goal.
You guys did
Boss
awesome,
getting
guys.
ready as
You guys
well.
did awesome,
Drivers gonna now
guys.
switch.
You guys.
Boss lifting up, getting 1, 2 green cubes in that goal for that uniform goal bonus. 25 seconds left, he must have switched. As we approach the last few seconds of this match, 4 big guys at max getting 1 more purple cube up into that goal. As this match comes close to an end, we've got 4 big guys at max getting a park off, and Boss just barely missing some extra cubes. All right, moving to qualification match number 93. We have 840108 Eagle Pride.